We can also support your researchers to use OMOP. My name is Chi Lee. I'm a physician executive on the HealthShare team. Let me show you how. We are launching a new HealthShare service called the OMOP Platform in the Intersystems Cloud Service Portal. The first part is FHIR-to-OMOP transformation pipeline. The second part is OMOP repository on Intersystems IRIS Cloud SQL. FHIR standards are adopted by most EHR vendors to share data. This is how the pipeline gets the data. In the same deployment, a new OMOP repository is created with the ontology preloaded. The pipeline automatically processes bulk FHIR data as they are placed in S3 bucket. It maps the data to OMOP format and it performs terminology mapping automatically. Here's a quick view of the files processed. The status column shows any data errors and warnings during the transformation. The OMOP data can be refreshed daily as the pipeline remembers which patients have been processed before. It's very easy to view the runtime metrics and the data quality report for each file processed. Here's an example. There are 1,147 patients in the file. No error for the patient resources, but there are many warnings. Once the data is in the OMOP repository, your researchers can use Atlas, a popular open source tool to design clinical studies and conduct analysis. Here is a view of the data just loaded. You can see the most common medication data is acetaminophen. Intersystems OMOP platform solution brings data from EHR to OMOP for your researchers. No coding required. We are pleased that you came down to the basement to visit us. But if you're up for it, you should probably talk to the physicians too.